Hi, this is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a simple mineral dark foundation base. And then I want to show you how to make 2 of the color grinds. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put 1 and 1/2 teaspoon. So this will be this is plain cerussite mica. So that'd be 1 and 1/2. And then the next thing I want to put is 1 and 1/2 teaspoon of yellow oxide. This is my yellow. That's 1 and 1/2. And then the next is 1/2 teaspoon of zinc oxide. Okay, now that that's in, all we need to do is grind this for 2 to 3 minutes until it's completely blended. We'll put a piece of saran wrap on top. And this is all it takes to make the mineral base. So this is a loose mineral base for dark tone skin. So this would be 1 1/2 teaspoon of cerussite, 1 1/2 teaspoon, and it's plain cerussite, 1 1/2 teaspoon of yellow oxide, and 1/2 teaspoon of zinc oxide. Okay, now that that's blended, we are going to put this to the side. Okay, that is a simple loose mineral base for a dark foundation. So the next thing I want to do is I want to make the color concentrates. So this one is going to be for dark tones with reddish hues. So we are going to put, where's my yellow? Ooh. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of yellow oxide. And all of these you're going to grind for 3 to 5 minutes. 1/2 teaspoon of brown oxide. One-4 teaspoon of red oxide. And where did I put it? Okay. And then we're going to put 1/4 teaspoon of the chromium oxide green. And the next is 1 medium scoop of ultramarine blue. Okay, that makes that one. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the ingredients for the dark tone with yellow hues in one of these cups, and then we can grind it. So it would be 1 and 1/4 of yellow oxide. Where did I just put it? Oh. So it'd be 1 teaspoon. And 1/4. And then we want 4 medium scoops of red oxide. Okay, and I forgot to put the brown. So we need 1/4 teaspoon of brown oxide. One medium scoop of ultramarine blue. Okay, and then we're going to need 2 medium scoops of chromium oxide green. And then 2 small scoops of black oxide. It gets quite messy when you're fooling with all of the pigments and mica powders. Get the lid back on. Okay, so we want to grind the first one. The first one was the dark tone with reddish hues. We're going to put that right there, and I'm going to put this underneath one. This is dark tones with yellow hues. So let's put this back on top. And you're going to grind this for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so that's the color grind, and I'm going to try to put it in this cup without spilling a bunch of it. And so when you start to add this to your foundation base, I would start with a pinch, because you can always go up. Grind it and see what color you have. These are so easy to make. What gets a little difficult is just getting the color right. So make sure you write everything down when you do it. All right, so we're gonna grind this one. And this is the dark tone with yellow hues. Okay, now that that one is done, I'm going to put that in this cup. And then we're going to try again to get this in here without spilling it. Okay, so that was your loose mineral foundation for simple dark foundation. And then this one was your dark tones with reddish hues, and this was your dark tones with yellow hues. So this is June with New Orleans Potions.